All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Tuesday verbs. So cut, to tear something into smaller pieces. Cut. I need to cut the paper. We always cut the vegetables into smaller pieces. Yeah, like here. We cut them into smaller pieces. Very good. How are you going to cut the pizzas? Well, you need a sharper knife to cut the pizzas. Yes. I cut it all last night. Yes, I already cut them. I already cut them. Don't worry. It has been done. It's been finished already. Done already. Yeah. They are cutting it now. Yes, I am cutting the string now for them. Yeah. She wants to cut it without scissors. Without scissors. Scissors without scissors. Yeah, without scissors. Without scissors. But how? Let's change that. How can they cut it by hand? How can they cut it without scissors? How? Yeah. Don't know. Yeah. So, cut. Very good. Cut the vegetables, cut the string, cut the rope. How cool is that? So, can you use cut in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, let's keep exploring.